Welcome back to Hasu and Teju. This is Teju, and do you know what today's craft is? It is a butterfly. Woo! I'm flying happily out in the air. Woo! So we can decorate the butterflies in our bedroom, our living room, or anywhere in the house. So what are we waiting for? Let's get decorative. So today I want to make pink butterflies because I really love the color pink. So let's go. First we're going to take a square piece of paper and fold it like this. So be careful. Okay, now let's draw the butterfly. I'm going to start in the middle, right here. We're going to draw a wing. We're going to go up to the tippy top and turn and go back down. Turn the piece of paper and go back out. And turn it and back. Now let's draw the antenna. Okay, I'm gonna make a long one. Okay, now it's time to snip, snip, snip. Now it's time to snip, snip, snip. Okay, so we're gonna cut the paper butterfly out. Snip, snip, snip. Be careful when the antennas come. You have to go slidey. Woo-hoo. Okay.
Like a bird on a tree.
Alright, now let's open it. A nice looking butterfly with antennas. Now in the same way I can make different sizes.
From up here,
So look at all of these sizes.
we can sit
The butterflies look so pretty. So look at all of these different sizes. I feel like this is a small one. Alright, but look, it's like raining butterflies. Now it's time to decorate the wall. Woo. So what are we waiting for? Let's get creative. If you have double-sided tape, you can use it. Well, if you don't, you can use one-sided tape, and I'm going to show you how to make a little donut to use, like to make a double-sided tape. It's called a donut. So you see, this is not sticky and this is sticky. We're going to fold it onto the sticky part, like this. And boom, you get a little donut. So first I'm going to start with my biggest butterfly and turn it back and stick it. Be careful with the antennas. Now let's go stick it onto the wall. So I want to stick it in my bedroom right here on top of my bed. Looks so pretty. So it looks like this, isn't it so pretty? Now let's go stick some more. Look at these pretty pink butterflies. Alright, there's still a lot more to go. Our room looks so pretty. And when I said our, I meant like my sister and me share a room. Alright. I'll stick this butterfly over here. Now the last one over here, pink. Also made yellow butterflies so I can stick it like right in the middle of the pink and some over here on the top. It's gonna look so pretty. Here's the yellow one. It looks so pretty. I really like it. It looks so pretty, guys. I really love it. Here's another one. It looks so pretty. I really love it. Woohoo! This looks so pretty, guys. The last one. So guys, this looks so pretty. I really love it. It's like all butterflies floating around. Guys, this is how my room is decorated so far, and I really love it. So it's like pink, and then yellow, and back to pink. It's like a pattern, and I really love patterns. So yeah, it's so cool, and I really love it. So guys, I hope you decorate your room or living room or your entire house, and I'll make more videos like this. So yeah, I hope you really like this video. So please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.